Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to fix the iPhone screen won't sleep, lock and turn off. If you are pressing the lock button, but your iPhone doesn't sleep, lock, or turn off, here is a simple way to fix it. So, you need to follow the first frequently used solution, set the correct auto lock duration. Your iPhone might fail to sleep automatically or lock or turn off the display lock due to incorrect auto lock duration. So, you need to check it first. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. In case the auto lock option is grayed out, then you need to turn off the low power mode from the control center. Check whether the auto lock is set as never. If yes, tap on it. Select a shorter duration, such as 30 seconds or 1 minute. Now, check if your iPhone screen locks or not. In case the auto lock duration is perfect. But still, you're still facing the same issue, the second useful solution is to check for the Always On Display mode. Now, scroll down to the bottom and check if the Always On Display mode is active. If you see it's on, then tap on Always On Display. Now, tap the toggle to turn it off. Now, try to lock your device. You will see the phone is sleeping. In case you want to customize the Always On Display and show only time and notifications, but not wallpaper, then turn off the toggle beside the Show Wallpaper. Now, lock your iPhone, and you see the black screen with time. Also, you can see notifications whenever you receive them on your iPhone. If the problem persists, follow the third convenient solution, check for the software update. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General. Now, tap on Software Update. Check if the software update is available, then download them. If your device has already updated the software update, then skip this solution. If you're facing the same problem, follow the fourth beneficial solution, reset all iPhone settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. You will see multiple options to choose from. Tap and select Reset All Settings, then again tap on Reset All Settings to confirm. That's it. If none of the solutions work, follow the fifth user-oriented solution, restart your iPhone. Sometimes, your iPhone might not respond due to software glitches, or you haven't restarted it for a long time. You need to restart your iPhone to get a smooth experience. So, we will use volume control buttons and power buttons to restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now only press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone screen. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks videos.